Good morning, dear friend. Farid is here from Farid Watercolor. Today I would like to unbox fountain pen. It's very special and it's good for sketcher. If you struggling about which pen I should take when I go outside, I don't want to like take 5 6 pen, or I don't need a pen who take a lot of experience to master it. So this pen will be very good option for you if you want to go with one pen. It's come from Duke, and it's a Chinese company, and this model number it's 551. And you know the special about it, as you see here, it's the foude pen, foude nib. So, and here it's writing Duke, and here's a model number 551, and it's come with this plastic box and the case itself and the pen itself, and from inside it's come with a reservoir, so it's good to go. You don't have to buy anything with this pen, and this pen is it's good to put in your pocket and just start your sketching without taking anything else. Like, you know, in old time we have to take like 10 pen, and it's too much for, like, you know, sketch, and then you start to lose stuff, and you don't need to master it, as I say. So the highest for this pen after closing, so it's like 15 centimeters, as you see here, and the weight it's kind of heavy for, so it's 65 gram, which is kind of heavy, but to be honest with you, it's very good balance in hand. So it's good balance in hand, and I don't feel it like some pen. It's not that heavy, but also it's hard to balance it in hand. So this one, it's kind of the opposite. It's kind of heavy, but you still can balance it. Now I would like to ink it. I always use for my sketch and fountain pen black carbon, or carbon, you know, it's carbon ink from platinum. So that's the right way to ink any pen, like how you see. Very slow. Here my sketching. It's a flow now, direct. You don't need to wait. Some pen you need to wait for some time until it's flow. And let's try the line. It's beautiful. And here with this angle, here, you see the bolt. That's what I'm very interested in. So you don't have to take like 5-6 pin with you or whatever. You can take just this pin, and especially if you are a beginner and you don't want to have an issue with G-nib pin or like what you call it, this full master or other type of permanent ink or pen. So you can take all this a variety from the same bin. You see here it just looks like 1.5 milli or 3 milli. Just a minute, I will. Yeah, it's almost 3 millimeters from the same bin. And here I believe it's kind of 0.70. Yeah, you see here the difference between the line and here. So for example, if I wow, so beautiful. Just a new pen. I cannot judge it from the first use, but it's I don't see any issue with about lines. Until now I can see it's good to go pen. I don't cut this video, it just ink it, and as you see it's work perfect from the box to inking to the draw. Some pen it's take time, like I have to put it overnight to has a good flow, but this one it's come just like good flow from the first inking. And as I say, it's good for beginner, except if you mind the heavy weight. But in hand it's good balance, even it's a little bit heavy, but I believe it's good. So let's do very quickly sketch. So as you see here, I already tested, and it's very good to go, and it's need zero experience with any fountain pen. You can just grab this pen and enjoy your sketch outside without worry about taking like 10 you know, like a dry pen or fountain pen or whatever. So it's just good to go, and I wish you very happy painting. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day. Thank you.